What's up YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to be showing off my most recent precious metals purchase. It's a 1 ounce American gold eagle. I'm so incredibly excited about this one, so I'll be talking about gold eagles and give you my opinion on how they are for stacking, and also if you're looking to invest in gold, we will talk about that as well. So let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you would like to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, here it is. The 1 ounce American gold eagle in all of its beauty. I am so incredibly excited to have been able to pick one of these up. Now, I bought this at my local coin shop. I went down there and said, hey, what kind of gold do you got in stock? What kind of silver do you got? And he had some 2020 American gold eagles. I've been wanting to pick one up for so long now, I decided to pull the trigger. I've been stacking cash, and I actually had a lot of paper in my safe. So rather than just hold on to that, I figured let's convert it into some gold. And what better to buy than a 1 ounce American gold eagle? So really excited about this one. It is my first ever 1 ounce American gold eagle purchase. I do have a few other eagles. I have the ½ ounce, the ¼ ounce, and the 1/10 ounce, which I'll show a little bit later in this video. But let's focus on this beauty here first. So, all right, the American gold eagle is the official gold bullion coin of the United States of America. They were authorized under the Gold Bullion Act of 1985. They've been minted from 1986 until present. So I'm filming in 2020. This is a 2020 American gold eagle. So obviously this is the most recent one you could get. Now in 1986 until 1991, they actually didn't have the date 2020 there. They had Roman numerals. So that's interesting. I don't have obviously a 1 ounce like that, but I do have a ½ ounce which has Roman numerals. So I'll show that off. Now this is a proof, which is why it's so shiny. But you can see it says MCMLXXXIX. So 1989 is the year on this proof ½ ounce American gold eagle. So you can see the Roman numerals there. But then in 1992, they started using the Arabic numerals, or just what we would call numbers, I guess. So we got the 2020 there. Now, these are made out of 22 karat gold, which is 91.67% gold. There actually is some silver in these. So it's 3% silver and 5.33% copper. So I like that they put a little bit of silver in this, because if they didn't, this would be much more copper toned. I guess more orange. So I like that it looks gold, and that's because of the silver that they put in there. So a little bit of silver for free in your 22 karat American gold eagles. Now it does have a $50 face value right there at the bottom. So you can see 1 ounce fine gold, $50. Really, really cool. Now, I'll talk about the designs here. So I guess we'll start with the Obverse. This is the Liberty design. So we have Lady Liberty standing there. She does have a torch in her right hand, as you can see. In her left hand, she has an olive branch. And then one interesting thing about these is you actually can see the Capitol building down there in the background. So pretty cool. I actually really do like this design. This was designed by Augustus St. Gaudens. So this is basically modeled after the St. Gaudens pre-33 gold. So really cool. I like how they kept that going on the bullion coins. Now on the reverse here, we actually have a male eagle in flight above a female eagle. And then I suppose those are maybe chicks or baby eagles. I think they call them hatchlings. I'm not exactly sure, but that's the design. I really like this design. I think it's one of the better ones for sure. This was actually designed by Miley Busiek, I think is how you say it. And I'm pretty sure no one knows who that is. The thing is, these are actually going to get redesigned next year in 2021 anyway. They're going to put a new reverse on these. with security features. So that will be really cool to see. All right, so one other thing that people don't know about the American Gold Eagles is that by law, the gold must come from sources within the United States of America to make these. So I'm not exactly sure what that means. Do they have to mine the gold here? Do they just import the gold and say, hey, we got it from a source in the USA? I have literally no idea, but that is the law. Now, these do have a 32.7 millimeter diameter. So if you were trying to put this in a case, I think 33 millimeter would do just fine. The gross weight on this is 1.0909 troy ounces. So almost 1.1 troy ounces. Of course, it's 22 karat, 91.67% gold. So that essentially means the whole coin here is going to weigh more than an ounce, but there is still a full ounce of gold in there because, of course, there's silver and copper added. Now, the bullion key date actually is 2019. So last year was the key date for the bullion American Gold Eagles. There was only 108,000 minted. So there you go. Very interesting. We'll see how many are minted this year with some of the mints being shut down, although I do think it's going to be quite a few more. So anyway, let's talk about these as far as stacking is concerned and as far as investing in gold is concerned. Now, if you picked up Gold Eagles before, you know they're actually much smaller than the American Silver Eagle by comparison. So gold is much more dense than silver. I'll just put it on top here and you could see, look at that. Quite a big difference, but also quite a big difference as far as a store of value is concerned, because the American Gold Eagles cost about 100 times as much as the American Silver Eagles. So great for storage. I mean, you can store a ton of value in them. And then they do obviously have more sizes. They have the half ounce, the quarter ounce, and the 1/10 ounce. So when you're buying American Gold Eagles for stacking, typically you want to pick them up at the lowest price possible. When you're stacking gold or silver, you're just trying to retain your wealth over a long period of time by taking that fiat currency and converting that over into precious metals, which we know is a hedge against inflation. So of course, if we have any big inflation or hyperinflation, you will be protected. So as far as these are considered for stacking, usually the lowest premium or the cheapest, so to speak, would be the 1 ounce. So for stacking gold, there's no doubt if you're just trying to buy them as cheap as you possibly can, the winner is the 1 ounce. Now, a lot of people can't afford a whole ounce of gold at once, which is why the quarter ounce is very popular as well as the 10th ounce, but you will be paying a higher premium on those compared to the 1 ounce gold. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind if you're thinking about picking up American Gold Eagles. Lowest premium is going to be on the 1 ounce. Now, another thing I wanted to mention about gold, as far as stacking is concerned, these are extremely popular. So whether you're trying to stack gold, or I guess if you're trying to invest in gold as well, these will be really easy to sell. They're very, very well known across the world. I don't know if they're the #1 gold bullion coin. I know the Krugerrand came out way before the American Gold Eagle, so those are very popular. There's also the gold maple leaf, which is very popular. The gold buffalo from the US Mint is super popular. That's 4/9 fine gold. So some people prefer pure gold. Some people like the 22 karat. The good thing about the 22 karat is you can actually handle these. They're pretty durable. You actually don't need to wear a glove when you're handling these. I just think it looks better for the presentation on the video, so that's why I'm doing so. But yeah, technically you can hold these with your bare hands. You can spin them. You could flip them if you want to flip a coin. They're pretty durable, so no gold is gonna fleck off or whatever. As opposed to 24 karat, that actually might be the case. You can definitely dent 24 karat pretty easily. So people like the 22 karat for its durability. I think it's great. As far as just pure investing in gold goes, I cannot think of a better option than the American Gold Eagle. Now, when you're investing gold, you pretty much have two options: gold bars or gold coins. I'm not really a bar guy. I know a lot of people like gold bars. You can get them in assay, which is basically those cards that prove they're legitimate gold, although the assay cards can be faked as well. So I'm definitely more of a coin guy, and when it comes to coins, I like United States Mint. I live here in the United States of America. I wouldn't buy anything but United States Mint as far as investing goes. My main stack is American Silver Eagles, so I got quite a few of these stacked. The counterpart obviously is the American Gold Eagle. So whether you're stacking silver or gold, honestly, I prefer Eagles across the board. They're my all-time favorites. As far as investing goes, you'll have an easy time offloading these when you want to. You can rest assured that they'll be able to sell no problem whatsoever. As far as buying them, they do have a little bit of a premium compared to some other products, but I think it is worth the premium, seeing as how liquid they are and just how gorgeous they are. Very fun to hold, very, very beautiful. So anyway, I'm super excited about my most recent pickup, the 1 ounce American Gold Eagle. If there's anything I missed as far as stacking is concerned or investing in gold, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you all think. I want to say massive thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.